Ebb meaning in English, recede, retreat, decrease, decline, wane. Lesson, ebb meaning in Telugu, క్షీణగతి ప్రవాహం తగ్గిపోవడం, opposite words of ebb, flow. Advance, rise, increase, flourish. Eccentric meaning in English, unusual, peculiar, queer, odd. Strange, eccentric meaning in Telugu, విపరీత ధోరణి వింత చేష్టలతో కూడిన, opposite words of eccentric, normal, usual, standard, natural. Economical meaning in English, thrifty, frugal, careful, prudent. Saving, economical meaning in Telugu, మిత వ్యయం చేయడం, పొదుపుగా ఉండటం, opposite words of economical, wasteful, lavish, extravagant. Efficient meaning in English, capable, competent, able, skillful, talented. Efficient meaning in Telugu, సమర్థత గల, సామర్థ్యం గల, opposite words of efficient, incompetent, inefficient. Unable, useless. Elegant meaning in English, refined, cultured, tasteful, stylish, superior. Elegant meaning in Telugu, sogasaina, sundaramaina, manodnamaina. Opposite words of elegant, vulgar, coarse, awkward, rough, tasteless. Eliminate meaning in English, get rid of, remove, discharge, expel. Eliminate meaning in Telugu, tosiveyu, తీసివేయు. Opposite words of eliminate, keep, retain. Emancipate meaning in English, free, liberate, release, unchain. Emancipate meaning in Telugu, dasya vimukti, స్వేచ్ఛ ఇవ్వడం. Opposite words of emancipate, capture, seize, chain up, enslave. Eloquent meaning in English, well spoken, fluent, expressive, articulate. Eloquent meaning in Telugu, వాగ్దాటి కలిగిన. Opposite words of eloquent, poorly spoken, hesitant, dull. Embezzle meaning in English, steal, rob, cheat, swindle, defraud. Embezzle meaning in Telugu, అక్రమంగా డబ్బు వినియోగించు, అపహరించు. Emigrate meaning in English, migrate, leave one's country, move, quit. Emigrate meaning in Telugu, వలసపోవు, విదేశాలకు వెళ్ళు. Opposite words of emigrate, immigrate. Enchant meaning in English, charm, bewitch, put a spell on, fascinate, captivate. Enchant meaning in Telugu, వశం చేసుకొనడం, మంత్రించడం. Opposite words of enchant, repel, revolt, disgust. Endeavor meaning in English, try, attempt, struggle, work at, strive. Endeavor meaning in Telugu, prayatnam. Opposite words of endeavor, neglect, ignore. Engage meaning in English, hire, employ, take on, betroth, pledge, involve, absorb. Engage meaning in Telugu, మాట తీసుకును, ఖరారు చేయు, పని ఇవ్వడం. Opposite words of engage, sack, discharge, fire. Enigma meaning in English, puzzle, mystery, riddle, secret. Enigma meaning in Telugu, గూఢార్థంగల, చిక్కు, సంగతి, అర్థం కానిది. Entice meaning in English, attract, lure, tempt, coax, allure, persuade. Entice meaning in Telugu, ఆశ చూపి, ఆకర్షించు, మోహింపచేయు. Opposite words of entice, repel, discourage, reject. Enrage meaning in English, madden, anger, infuriate, provoke. Enrage meaning in Telugu, కోపం తెప్పించు, ఆగ్రహం రేగు. Opposite words of enrage, soothe, calm down, pacify, mollify. Eternal meaning in English, everlasting. Eternal meaning in Telugu, శాశ్వతమైన. Opposite words of eternal, temporary. Evade, evade meaning in English, avoid, evade meaning in Telugu, pakkaku tolagu. Opposite words of evade, face up to. Evident, evident meaning in English, clear, evident meaning in Telugu, spastanga kanapadutunna. Opposite words of evident, unclear. Exaggerate, exaggerate meaning in English, overstate, exaggerate meaning in Telugu, atisayokti. Opposite words of exaggerate, understate. Exalt, exalt meaning in English, praise, exalt meaning in Telugu, goppaga pogudu. Opposite words of exalt, criticize. Exasperate, exasperate meaning in English, irritate, exasperate meaning in Telugu, kopam vachela cheyadam. Opposite words of exasperate, calm. Exclude, exclude meaning in English, leave out, exclude meaning in Telugu, cherakunda cheyu. Opposite words of exclude, include. Exhaust, exhaust meaning in English, empty, exhaust meaning in Telugu, avagottu. Opposite words of exhaust. Save, exquisite, exquisite meaning in English, precious, exquisite meaning in Telugu, shrestamaina. Opposite words of exquisite, common. Exterminate, exterminate meaning in English, destroy, exterminate meaning in Telugu, nirmoolam cheyu. Opposite words of exterminate, create.